Elon Musk and the Tesla solar program that released the heavily anticipated solar roof. The release of the solar roof also promoted a complete overhaul of the Tesla website. While Elon Musk and Tesla have been historically successful with their product releases, the history of the solar tile technology has not been. The product is the biggest test for Tesla to date. The fate of this new solar product is still up for debate. Why hasn't Tesla Solar worked out as effectively as Elon Musk expected? It's been 5 years since Tesla acquired Solar City for about $2.6 billion. The deal was immediately controversial, with some shareholders suing Elon Musk, but fans looked forward to charging their Tesla electric vehicles in the sunshine. CNBC interviewed industry experts and recent Tesla solar customers to see how the company is delivering on its promises today. Solar City was founded in 2006 by Musk's cousins, Peter and Lyndon Rive. It was backed by Musk, who served as a chairman of the board at both Tesla and Solar City. Musk's aerospace company SpaceX also had purchased tens of millions of dollars worth of solar bonds from Solar City. In an event in October 2016, Musk highlighted that the goal is to make solar roofs that look better than a normal roof, to generate electricity last longer, and have better insulation. Also have an installation cost that is less than half of the normal roof plus the cost of electricity. Why would you buy anything else? He added the roof tiles were going to be the next big thing in residential solar according to Musk, and once Tesla and Solar City combined, the product would juice the company's growth while delivering it clean energy to homeowners. After the deal went through, however, new installations by Tesla Solar City plummeted in the fourth quarter of 2017. Tesla reported a 43% drop in solar deployments compared to when it purchased Solar City. The company ended up losing its market-leading position in 2018, and now hovers around 2% of the residential solar market, according to McKinsey. In the first and second quarters of 2021, Tesla installed at 92 and 85 megawatts of solar respectively. That's less than half of what Solar City was installing per quarter. Before the acquisition, Tesla moved to some solar employees to work on building the company's electric cars and batteries, fired other solar employees, and moved others who had been doing new installations to work on repairs and remediation. Some of the solar rooftops the company had installed caught fire. One employee who raised fire safety concerns internally and filed a whistleblower complaint to the federal government sued at Tesla, saying that he was wrongfully terminated as an act of retaliation. Shareholders also sued, saying the acquisition amounted to a bailout for Musk and his family's other businesses. While the judge won't deliver his verdict in the derivative shareholder lawsuit until early next year, Musk testified that Solar City's deal was essential to achieve Tesla's vision. He denied that Solar City had been in dire financial straits before Tesla acquired the business. Today there's growing demand and fresh government support for residential and commercial solar throughout the United States. But Tesla still isn't mass-producing and installing large numbers of solar roof tiles. Most of the growth in its energy division comes from their energy storage systems. From backup batteries for homes to big batteries for utility-scale projects. Most of its residential solar revenues come from installations of traditional panels. Tesla is currently still trying to meet significant demand for the solar roof, but has yet to widely roll out the product. Musk said in a conference call with investors following the release of Tesla's financial results for the first quarter of 2021, Tesla reported $494 million in sales of its energy generation and storage products in the first quarter, but the overall division is still not profitable. Musk's comments come as irate customers have told outlets like The Verge and Electric that Tesla is increasing the price of their solar tiles. When it comes time for installation, Musk said that Tesla has run into trouble, quote, assessing the difficulty for certain roofs. He said that the complexity of roofs vary dramatically, noting that if an existing roof has protuberances or problems in the underlying structure, or is not strong enough to hold Tesla's solar tiles, the cost can be 2 or 3 times higher than Tesla's estimates. Musk added that Tesla is refunding customers' deposits if they don't want to pay the price increase. Also, CNBC interviewed industry experts and recent Tesla solar customers to find out how the company is delivering on its solar promises. Their experiences were mixed, with customers in Washington, New York, and California bemoaning poor customer service and unexpected issues with the installation of their solar panels, and others praising Tesla for making cars and systems that are able to run on sunshine. How does the Tesla solar roof work with the federal solar tax credit? When it comes to the Federal Investment Tax Credit or EITC, Tesla claims that their entire solar roof and their home storage battery, the Powerwall, can be claimed. This is not necessarily the case. The issue here is that the type of solar energy doesn't fit into the structure of the current ITC. For this to change, a special appeals process is necessary to decide which parts of the solar roof fall under the ITC. Will all of the solar roofs fall into the ITC? Or is it just the solar portion of the roof? This all depends on how the IRS decides to view Tesla's new solar roof. If they determine the non-solar tiles are, quote, so specifically engineered that it is in essence a part of the machinery or equipment with which it functions, that the entire roof will fall under the federal solar tax credit. Determining the solar roof and its impact on the EITC will certainly be a lengthy process. As customer service advocates at Pick My Solar, we can only hope that Tesla will take care of the entire process for their homeowners. The federal solar tax credit, however, is going to start scaling down and be completely phased out in 2022. When taking into consideration the buying and installation process of the newly released solar roof, a large number of homeowners may miss out on the chance to claim federal solar tax credits. Solar roof efficiency versus solar panel efficiency. The brand new solar roof will be entirely manufactured in the United States. Tesla plans to manufacture all of their solar roof tiles at the Buffalo facilities, using solar cells provided by their partner at Panasonic, Peter Rive. The CTO at Solar City had previously claimed the efficiency of one of their solar tiles was equivalent to a standard panel. However, according to Solar City's website, the colored film on the solar tile, quote, allows the cells to blend into the roof while minimizing solar efficiency loss. While it appears that this would mean the efficiency of the solar tile would be lower than those of solar panels, this isn't necessarily the case. Currently, Panasonic's in 3300 HIV models have an efficiency of 19.7%. They have developed solar cells as efficiently as 23.5%. In their labs, the solar industry standard for solar panels is approximately 16%. Well, Pick My Solar installers come in at around 19.5%. So even if the colored film on the solar tiles lessens the efficiency by a few percentage points, the efficiency of the solar tiles still might be equivalent to that of a standard solar module. When it comes to the efficiency of Tesla's solar roof in comparison to standard solar panels, there's no clear-cut winner. Just make sure that if your home is very limited in regards to roof space, you should go with the highest efficiency model as possible to power your home. Who should buy a solar roof? The initial appeal of the Tesla solar roof will target the wealthy tech-savvy homeowner with a passion for renewable energy. Due to the solar roof cost, the purchaser of a solar roof will have a deep passion for aesthetics. There's certainly a risk-reward aspect of being one of the first owners of a Tesla solar roof. The reward is being one of the first owners of this beautiful technology. The risk is the same. That's at the end of the video. Hope you like this video, plus thank you for spending some time with us, and please let us know in the comments section below about the video. A gentle reminder: subscribe to our channel for more content just like this one, and also press the bell icon to get notified about our new uploads. Hey people, you thought it was great to see this video. If you want to see which videos we have on our channel, then you can click above.